Today we are going to be making a standard chair. So we're going to start with the side of the chair. Start our 2D sketch. Now this is the front, so I'm going to go from the side this time, which is the YZ plane. Now I'm going to use the line tool to make the profile, or kind of like the side view of the chair. So I'm going to start with the bottom. Okay, it's 15 inches. Okay. And now I'm going to go straight up, 14 inches. Now I'm going to make this 1 inch thick. Now I aim it down at 90 degrees. Since it's 1 inch thick, it's going to be 1 inch shorter than the back. So that's going to be 13 inches. And same thing here, 14 inches. I make sure I connect by getting that green dot. We're done. Now we need to extrude. We're going to extrude it 16 inches. There we go. Beautiful. Now we've got a chair. We are going to, let's see, we're going to add a hole at the top, like a handle, kind of like the chairs that you are currently sitting on. So we're going to start a sketch. It could be here or it could be here. We're going to make a rectangle that is 6 inches wide and let's see, let's make it 1.5 inches. Okay, tall. Now we use our dimension tool. We're going to keep this 2 inches from the top, or 1 inch from the top. And now, if the width of this whole thing is 16 inches, and there are 6 inches here, that means this plus this needs to be 10 inches. 10 plus 6 plus, or yeah, whatever this portion plus 6 plus this portion is 16. So 16 minus 6 is 10. So to make it equivalent, it should be 5 inches on each side. Now we're also going to draw a sketch down here for your hiney. We're going to make this one 8 inches wide. We're going to make it 4 inches tall. Now we want this to be 2 inches from the bottom. Or you make the top 2 inches plus 4 inches, 6 inches. If I were to do 2 inches for the bottom, it may actually keep it on this side. So that's why I did the top one, to make sure there are no problems. Now we need to center it. If this whole thing is 16 inches, and we have 8 inches across here, then it should be 16 minus 8 is 8. Divide by 2, 4, done. Finish sketch. We're going to extrude our 2 holes. Click, click, and we're going to extrude it in. That's going to get rid of the stuff. Oh, what a chair. Beautiful. Now we need to add legs, so I'm going to do this pretty quickly. Okay, start 2D sketch, circle. Each one will be 1 inch. We're going to need 4. What we need to do now is dimension each circle away from the edge of the chair by 1 inch. Make sure you click the center. Click, 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 type. Click, 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 type. Click, 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 type. And click, bad object, click, type. They are all positioned correctly now, and all I have to do is extrude. So I click, nope, nope. I'm actually gonna, you can click and drag these numbers when you're not in sketch mode. Get them out of the way. And let's see, extrude, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to extrude 16 inches. Actually, let's make it 14 inches. And here you go. You got a nice 3D chair. But it looks a little funny, so I'm going to introduce you to two tools if you have the time. Fillet and chamfer. These will basically cut the edges to make them look prettier. Fillet is going to round it out. So I'm going to choose this on this edge. And here it's going to give you a menu very similar to extrude. Except let's do 2 inches. And it'll give you a preview. Here, it's now rounded out. We can do fillet on every edge that it'll allow. You see, now here, that red means that we can't do it. So let's just cancel. I want to do this edge, and the edge that our back touches. Okay. Cool. And then I want to fillet these 3 edges, but I'm going to do it 0.5 inches. Nope. 2 inches. Nope. 0.3. Huh. 0.05. Alright, here it's giving us issues because we did this one. So, just so you can see, I'm going to fillet the edge and not the corner. Okay. So let's do that, 1 inch. 0.75. Okay, we can do 0.75. Sounds nice. Now it's nice and rounded out. So you can use that tool to round up all your rough edges, including like the holes in the chair. And as long as the dimensions aren't too extreme, it'll work. Go ahead and enjoy.